Title: The Future of Product Management in the Age of AI. 1. The field of product management is undergoing a profound transformation as AI-driven tools, vertical AI and physical AI become more prevalent. 2. With industries rapidly adopting AI automation and intelligent decision-making systems, what role will product managers play? 3. This analysis explores how product managers can adapt, thrive, and generate extreme value in the age of AI-driven disruption. 4. It also addresses whether AI will replace product managers or create new opportunities, the specializations that will be essential, and how AI-driven industries will shape future demand. Chapter 1. Classifications of product managers and their role in AI. 1. The emerging AI-first product manager. 1. AI-first product managers design, build, and scale AI-driven products. 2. They focus on leveraging machine learning, ML, natural language processing, NLP, and AI analytics. 3. Key industries benefiting from AI PMs: healthcare, finance, robotics, and SaaS automation. 2. AI as a co-pilot for product managers. 1. AI won't replace PMs, it will augment their decision-making. 2. AI-powered tools will automate road mapping, customer insights, and competitive analysis. 3. Human creativity, leadership, and ethics will remain central to product strategy. Chapter 2. Product management skills for the AI era. 1. Why AI skills are becoming essential. 1. AI-powered product managers don't need to be AI engineers, but they must understand AI capabilities. 2. PMs who master AI-driven analytics, forecasting, and personalization will gain a competitive edge. 3. Companies will expect PMs to manage AI projects efficiently and mitigate risks related to AI biases. 2. The growth of AI-native product roles. 1. Companies are hiring AI PMs to work alongside data scientists. 2. AI-native PMs are becoming essential in SaaS, fintech, healthcare, and cybersecurity. 3. Understanding AI deployment, ethics, and compliance will be critical for go-to-market strategies. Chapter 3. AI's impact on product management, demand, and job security. 1,500 words. 1. Will AI replace product managers? 1. AI can optimize processes, predict trends, and automate analytics, but it cannot replace human creativity, intuition, and leadership. 2. AI-enhanced PMs will be more valuable than ever as businesses leverage AI to drive growth. 2. Rising demand for AI product leaders. 1. Companies need PMs who understand AI's capabilities, limitations, and ethical considerations. 2. AI-driven industries, e.g. autonomous systems, smart logistics, generative AI tools, will require AI-native PMs. 3. PMs will orchestrate AI adoption across product lines while ensuring alignment with customer needs and business goals. Chapter 4. How product managers can generate extreme value in the AI era. 1,500 words. 1. AI-augmented product innovation. 1. AI enables PMs to test new features faster, automate A/B testing, and enhance UX with machine learning. 2. AI-driven PMs will focus on high-value areas like predictive analytics, personalized AI recommendations, and real-time decision intelligence. 2. AI for business impact and competitive advantage. 1. AI-enhanced competitive intelligence will provide real-time market insights. 2. AI-driven business model optimization will improve pricing strategies and monetization. 3. AI-powered fraud detection, risk analysis, and cybersecurity will become PM-led initiatives in fintech and enterprise AI products. Chapter 5. The Future of Product Management and AI Specializations. 1,000 words. 1. AI-powered PMs will drive market leadership. 1. AI-first PMs will play a pivotal role in defining the next generation of digital products. 2. AI-driven enterprises will prioritize product leaders who understand AI's full potential. 2. How fast will AI reshape product management? 1. In 2-3 years, AI-native PM roles will be standard in tech companies, SaaS, and enterprise AI solutions. 2. In 5 to 7 years, PMs will manage AI-first teams. designing fully autonomous AI-driven product ecosystems. Conclusion: preparing for the AI future of product management. 1. AI is not a threat. It's an opportunity for product managers to become strategic AI leaders. 2. AI-powered PMs will be highly sought after in industries embracing automation, predictive intelligence, and AI-driven decision-making. 3. Product managers should invest in AI skills, automation frameworks, and cross-functional AI collaboration to remain competitive. 4. The future belongs to AI-augmented PMs who embrace change, master AI-driven insights, and lead with vision. Final thought: AI won't eliminate product managers. It will redefine what great product leadership looks like.